Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import a contacts list to GoHighLevel. This is essential if you're migrating from another CRM or simply adding bulk contacts to streamline your workflow and keep all your leads in one place. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.gohighlevel.com. Sign in with your GoHighLevel credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Next, click on Contacts in that left navigation menu. This takes you to the contacts screen, which is your hub for managing all client and lead information within GoHighLevel. From here, you'll be able to initiate the import process. Now look for the import button and click it. This redirects you to the imports page, where you'll see options to import not just contacts, but also opportunities like deals and their stages. For this tutorial, we're focusing on contacts, so click on contacts to put a check mark next to it, then click next in the bottom right corner of your screen to proceed. In the import options that appear, select CSV as your import method. CSV files are the most common format for bulk contact uploads, and GoHighLevel handles them seamlessly. After selecting CSV, click Choose File or simply drag your CSV file into the upload area. Browse your computer, select the file you want to import, and confirm your selection. Once your file is uploaded, you'll be taken to a mapping screen. This is where you match each column from your CSV to the corresponding field in GoHighLevel. For example, map your CSV's first name column to GoHighLevel's first name field, last name to last name, email to email, and so on. This step ensures your data lands in the right place. After mapping, review the required fields to make sure everything is properly aligned. This screen also lets you adjust preferences like adding tags, importing contacts into a workflow, or creating a smart list. These options help you organize and automate follow-ups right from the start. Before you finalize, click the Import button. A disclaimer will appear, so make sure to confirm and accept it to begin uploading and processing your CSV data. Once you've accepted, GoHighLevel will start importing your contacts. Finally, monitor the import status in the progress window or check the notifications and activity area to confirm everything uploaded successfully, or to review any errors if something didn't go as planned. And that's it. Your contacts are now in GoHighLevel and ready to be managed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.